And the next is the chicks of helicopter budgies. It's all nest out chicks. So just now it's having self feeding. So in this we are having yellow DFs. It's all my home breed itself, and white DFs. And the next part we are going for again for a small conure. It's a green chick, it's a blue green chick conure. It is also adult pair. Already I have taken one clutch, so now it's on the rest actually. So it may lay egg another like 15 to 20 days. It may lay egg. Actually, it's on a mating. In the next part we are going for a blue series. Into it is called that is called American Dilute female. It is also the new pair. I am waiting for the result of that, and it is called Red Factor Yellow Shaded Conure. It is also a new pair which I said. And in this we have blue green chick. It is on the egg right now, so actually I don't want to disturb that. And this pair of mine which I bought 4 years back, it's a normal lovebird. So when I got the first bird, actually this is the first pair I got. So actually I'm holding this one still. And it is helicopter budgies. It's already on 4 chicks right now. 3 are there in with parents itself, and one is yellow DF and one is white DF. And in this pair we have one golden head spangle, and one is Crimino DF. And so many of them will think it is a rainbow. Actually it is not a rainbow, it's a golden head spangle. And if you are going to this, so which you are seeing in the male of blue, it's a show cross helicopter, and actually it's on a breeding time now. It already has the chicks. And the next one is so male is white DF and female is albino. It's a red eye albino. And the next one we are going for actually it is also white DF and yellow DF. So both are in the eggs and chicks. Already I got in this 6 chicks in this. And if we come for diet plan, every day we give short food for all the birds, including lovebirds, show budgies, and helicopters, sun conures. We give all the soft food every day, so not in weekly once or twice. So actually we give every day. In this, every morning I give the vegetables of some mixed vegetables of 6 to 8 vegetables will be mixed in this, including carrot, beetroot, so lady's finger, beans, capsicum, all the varieties will be there in this vegetables. So after this, in the afternoon actually we don't give anything, so because if we give this it will eat till afternoon. After the afternoon I will give in the evening time when the chicks are hatched. We come for seed mix. I don't compromise on that. Every seed mix are imported seeds itself. I don't use Indian millets at all. It's all imported seeds. In this seeds we have black millet of imported, black millet, red millet, white millet, oats, barley also as mixed, and canary is also mixed. Canary will be having, so my ratio is 60%. Means if I mix that 1 kg of seed, in that seed mix I will mix 600 grams of canary itself. So all the seed mix are there, hemp is there, and buckwheat is there. So in this result I got a very good result in this mixed seed. Almost all what I was getting 2 chicks, 3 chicks in small conures. Now I am having 5 chicks, 6 chicks in each clutches. So actually it's all depend on what you feed the birds, including soft food, seed mix. So actually everything will be the matter of breeding. And if we come for a price list, every bird will be having a different of price list. So depend on qualities, feather qualities, crest qualities, size, mutations. It will depend on all that. Hand feeding chicks will start from 2,500 rupees each pieces. If I did not have any chicks, when you asked me if you can book pre-booking also, and I have some more friends also, I can suggest with them if they have. So we can do that. If you want to buy anything, chicks or anything with me, or if you want to know any information about the birds or seed mix or anything, you can have a call at any time. So my number is 9731161718. I repeat, 9731161718. And my location is in Yelahanka, Someshwar Nagar, so near Central Mall and Allal Chandra. So means if you know, or else if you can check in maps as AKY BLR Exotics. I repeat, AKY BLR Exotics. If you type, it will reach you to my bird farm itself. You can visit anytime.
So friends, this is about the small aviary visit of AKY Exotic Birds Farm. So if you are willing to or planning to take a bird, you can anytime call to the number what has been told. And if you wanna visit the farm also, yes, you can call him and you can know about his schedule, and then you can come visit the farm, so that you will get a rough idea of what bird to take and what not to take. So always know something about the bird what you are taking, so that that will be helping you in a long run. So this is about the small farm visit of AKY Exotic Farm. This is Chetan signing off from Feather Fruits. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.